Find the best circular saws for making fast, precise cuts through wood, plywood, lumber, and other materials. These top picks offer powerful motors, adjustable bevel angles, comfortable designs, and reliable performance for construction, woodworking, DIY projects, and everyday cutting tasks. Starting at number 1, Makita 5007 MG Circular Saw. The Makita 5007 MG 7-to-1 4-inch magnesium circular saw is a powerful, lightweight, and durable corded saw designed for framing, woodworking, remodeling, and demanding job site applications. Its 15-amp motor delivers 5,800 RPM, while the magnesium components help keep the tool relatively lightweight at 10.6 pounds and provide a balanced, job site tough design. It offers a 2.5-inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees and bevel adjustment, up to 56 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 56 degrees. Built-in LED lights and a dust blower help improve visibility along the cut line, and the saw includes a carbide-tipped blade, rip fence, wrench, and carrying case. Number 2, DEWALT WE575SB Circular Saw. The DEWALT DWE575SB 7-to-1 4-inch lightweight circular saw is a powerful and versatile corded tool designed for construction, woodworking, remodeling, and other demanding cutting applications. Its 15-amp motor provides strong cutting performance, while the lightweight 8.8-pound design helps improve handling and reduce fatigue during extended use. The saw offers a maximum 57 degrees of bevel capacity, with stops at 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees, along with a 2 to 9 to 16-inch cutting depth at 90 degrees. Additional features include an electric brake, integrated dust blower for improved line of sight, durable aluminum base, ball-bearing lower guard, and tough cord protection for added durability. Number 3, Worx WX439L Circular Saw. The Worx WX439L 4.5 amp Worx saw is a compact and lightweight circular saw designed for DIY projects, woodworking, and general home improvement tasks. Weighing about 4 pounds and delivering up to 4,000 RPM, it offers easy one-handed handling while providing enough power for cutting lumber and other materials. The saw features a 4.5-inch blade, adjustable cutting depth, 0 to 45 degrees bevel capacity, a spindle lock for easier blade changes, and a dust port with a vacuum adapter to help keep the workspace cleaner. Its compact design, parallel guide, and included carbide-tipped blade make it a practical choice for portable cutting applications. Number 4, HYCHIKA Mini Circular Saw. The HYCHIKA Mini Circular Saw is a compact and versatile cutting tool designed for DIY projects, home improvement, and workshop tasks. It features a 4-amp pure copper motor that reaches up to 4,500 RPM, providing efficient cutting performance for materials such as wood, soft metal, plastic, PVC, drywall, and tile when using the appropriate blade. The 3 to 3/8-inch saw includes 3 specialized blades, a laser guide, scale ruler, parallel guide, adjustable cutting depth from 0 to 25 millimeters, and a dust exhaust connection for improved visibility and a cleaner workspace. Its compact design, durable metal components, and comfortable anti-slip handle make it a practical option for precise everyday cutting tasks. Number 5, GALAX DC20V Pro Mini Circular Saw. The GALAX Pro Mini Circular Saw is a compact cordless cutting tool designed for DIY projects, woodworking, and general home improvement tasks. It features a 20V battery-powered motor with a maximum speed of 3,400 RPM, a 4.5-inch blade, and a 2.0A rechargeable battery for convenient cordless operation. The saw offers a maximum cutting depth of 111/16 inches at 90 degrees and 118 inches at 45 degrees, while the built-in laser guide and rip guide help support straighter, more controlled cuts. It also includes 2 blades, a 24-tooth blade and a 60-tooth blade, providing versatility for different cutting applications.